What's up everybody, Dustin here and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever noticed your computer running slow or taking forever to perform a simple task? If yes, and then you're in the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you some detailed and practical tips on how to speed up your computer. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive right in. One of the first things you need to do is remove the unnecessary startup programs. One of the common reasons for a slow computer startup is the number of unnecessary programs that launch when your computer boots up. So to disable these programs and speed up your startup process, you need to follow these procedures. Number one, you need to open the task manager. For those using Windows, you can press the Control key plus Shift plus the Escape key, or you can right click on the task bar and then select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, navigate to the Startup tab and then identify the programs that you don't need to launch at the startup. So once you identify them, you right click on each program and select Disable to prevent it from starting up automatically when booting up your computer. The second thing you need to do in order to speed up your computer is clean up disk space. So as you use your computer, it accumulates temporary files, things like old downloads and other unnecessary data, taking up valuable disk space and slowing down your system. So let's clean this up. So in your desktop, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. So in the Run dialog box, type CLEANMGR and hit enter to launch the disk cleanup utility. So select the drive you want to clean up. Usually by default detect the C drive and then click OK. So check the boxes next to the type of file you want to remove, things like the temporary files, recycle bin items, and the system files. Then click OK and then confirm the deletion process. This will clean up your disk space and speed up your computer. If up to this point your computer still runs slow, then it's time to uninstall unused programs. Over time, we tend to accumulate a lot of programs on our computers that we no longer use. These programs take up valuable disk space and may have background processes running that slows down our computers. So let's remove them. First, open the control panel by searching for it in the start menu, and then click on uninstall a program under the program category, and then review the list of installed programs and identify the ones you no longer need. Then select the program and click on uninstall at the top of the window, and then you follow the on-screen prompts to remove the programs. If your computer still runs slow, I think it is high time you update your softwares and drivers. Outdated softwares and drivers can negatively impact your computer's performance. Let's ensure everything is up to date, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvement. So for Windows users, you press the Windows key plus I to open the settings app, and then for Mac users, you click on the Apple menu and select System Preference. So look for the Updates and Security or Software Updates option and click on it. Then check for available updates and install them. Additionally, ensure that your drivers are up to date. You can visit the manufacturer website for your computer, then specific hardware components to download and install the latest drivers. The fifth thing we need to do to improve the speed of your computer is disabling the visual effects. Windows operating system come with various visual effects and animations, which although visually appealing, but can slow down your computer's performance. Let's optimize your computer's performance by disabling unnecessary visual effects. So on your desktop window, press the Windows key plus the R key to open the Run dialog box. Then type sysdm.cpl and hit enter to open the System Properties window. In the System Properties window, navigate to the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click on the Settings button. Then in the Performance Options window, select the Adjust for Best Performance option to disable all visual effects. Alternatively, you can manually choose which effect to disable by selecting the Custom option and unchecking the visual effects you don't need, and then click Apply and then OK to save the changes. If all the methods we tried fail to fix your problem, then you need to perform a disk defragmentation. As you use your computer and save files, data can become fragmented on your hard drive, leading to a slower performance. Performing a disk defragmentation helps optimize file access and improve overall speed. So let's defragment your disk. On your desktop window, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Then type dfrgui and hit enter to open the disk defragmenter utility. In the disk defragmenter window, select the drive you want to defragment, usually the C drive by default, and click on Analyze. After the analysis is complete, click on Optimize to start the defragmentation process. Wait for the process to finish, which may take some time depending on the size of your drive and the level of defragmentation. Once the defragmentation is complete, close the utility and restart your computer. If your computer is still running slow after trying the previous tips, it might be time to consider upgrading your hardware. Upgrading certain components can significantly boost your computer's performance. So, let's explore some hardware upgrade options for you. You may need upgrading. Common upgrades include adding more RAM to your computer, replacing maybe your hard drive with a solid-state drive or SSD in short, or you can upgrade the graphic cards. There you have it, guys. These were some quick and easy tips to speed up your computer. So by following these steps, you can enjoy a fast and more efficient computing experience. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech related content. Until next time, happy computing.